Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel IT World Info. Today we are going to talk about how to configure SSH secure shell in Cisco switches. First of all, we need to know that why we need to configure SSH. If we configured SSH in my switch, then we can access any data by CMD and remotely access. So let's start that how to configure SSH. Create a small network. Okay, click on the switch, go to command line interface, go on third mode, and first of all we need to change switch name, host name space, whatever you want to give switch name, lab switch, enter, and add IP in switch. One 168 100. Enter, and after configuring IP, you don't forget that you don't forget this step, no cert. It is used to enable IP address. Enter. Now follow the step for configure SSH. Type here line space VTY space 0 space 4. Enter. Type here transport telnet to SSH. It is used to transport translate to SSH. TRANSPORT space input. Type here input INPUT space SSH. Enter, and type here login local. If you want to access any data by only password, then you can type here login, but I want to do that when I am accessing data, then he asks password and username both. That's why I type here login local. Enter and exit. Now we are going to make username and password. Username space admin space, I give username admin. Whatever you want to give, you can give as your choice. Password I want to give, I want to say QWE. Whatever you want to give, it's your choice, you can give, and enter. Sorry, I think there is something wrong. Type here again username space admin space, type here pass space whatever you want to give password. I want to give this password. You can give as password as your choice. Enter, and give a domain to your switch. So IP, type here IP domain hyphen name space, I want to give this domain itworldinfo.com. Enter, and type here crypto space KUIK space GENN space RSA. Enter. Yes, and now you can access any data by SSH. Now I'm going to access, go to any PC and give IP to this PC. I want to give this IP. Okay, now go to cmd command and follow this step: ssh space hyphen l space username admin space 192.168.88.100 and enter. Now looking that it is asking password, it may in you are clearly write everything and it is working now. You have to give password, enter. Now you are looking that I have been accessed SSH. Come on, I have been access switched by SSH. So you are looking that this practical has been completely right and it has been done, that how to access, how to configure SSH in your switch. So thanks for watching my video. If you do like this video and it is helpful for you, then do like and comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel. We will meet you on the next video, and next video will be that how to configure VLAN and in switch. Okay, thank you.